G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So today, the old farm gate's coming off. This thing was solidly welded on. It might take a little bit of work to get it removed. Let's get into it. So the old farm gate's knocked off. Happy days. Man, that was on there solidly. And this, oh man. That is one heavy gate. Anyway, it's off now. So that's good. It gives us a little bit of access so we can work around all our brakes and our tie rod ends, our bushes, all the suspension bits and pieces. So you're probably wondering what we're going to put on the front here. The cool thing is, last year's Drive for a Drought, they did an auction, as they will for this year, and they do a whole lot of auctions and you get the opportunity to bid on all sorts of stuff. Because I couldn't go last year, I thought that at least I can do is bid on something that's going to be worthwhile for one of the 40 series. What I did is I bid on one of McKinnon's Cruiser's front bull bars for the 40 series. The cool thing is it was donated by McKinnon's Cruisers to, all the money went to Drive for a Drought. So I knew that I wasn't just buying an awesome quality bull bar, but all the money went straight to Drought Angels, which is really cool. The cool thing is I told my wife that I was able to donate some money to Drive for a Drought and I got a free bull bar. How good is that? Anyway, let's clean this up and get this monster out of the way, I think. Right, I had no idea what these big chunks of steel were for. I don't know what they held down or what they did. They had nothing to do with the bull bar. They have nothing to do with holding this bracket on. Now, I know that I said that I wasn't going to be using genuine parts and all that type of stuff on this truck, but Imperial bolts, seriously? Righto, so the old farm gate's removed and you're probably wondering, what are we going to put on? Are we going to put like a genuine bar on? No, because we're not doing genuine. What we've got is something a little bit more special than that. Jack's got it. Check this out. This is a McKinnon's Cruiser bull bar. So this thing looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yes.
And I think it'll look so cool. Let's just mount it on, just sit it on place. Righto. So that's where it'll sit when we put all the brackets on. Well, actually it'll sit a bit lower. Now McKinnon's Cruisers, they've been a big supporter of Long Drive for a Drought, and this was auctioned off last year. So like I said, I told my wife I donated money to Long Drive for a Drought and I got a free bull bar. So it's pretty awesome. Now this thing is built solid. It's got a full winch set up on it. You've got full recovery points on it. We've got driving lights set up on it already. It's ready to go and it's all made for 40 series cruiser and I'm stoked. This will look so cool on this cruiser for the drive. So, but for the moment, it's going to stay off because we're going to rip all the front off. We're going to pull some of the front off, so we're going to put a new radiator on, all that type of stuff. So for the meantime, you're going to see it off for a while, but this will be what the finished product is. Pretty awesome, hey Jack? I love it. All right.
All right. See these front bumper mounts getting in the way of the bull bar. See how these holes here line up perfectly. All you have to do is take them off Not that hard to take off. All you gotta do is just grind off this end of the rivet and just get a pin punch that through, and they should come out.
And then the bull bar can be mounted up.
Yes.
Sweet, easy.
So because these are heat riveted in, it's going to be really hard to use the hole punch. So we decided just to see if we can hit the actual mount itself, see if that does anything.
Good job.
That worked.
Righto guys, that's it. So that's the bull bar. The farm gate is gone and something a lot more modern and a lot stronger is going on, even though it's a lot lighter, so that's really cool. Anyway, feel free to subscribe, feel free to leave a comment, and until next time,
Thanks for watching. Thanks with us.